How to remove age restriction on YouTube app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video I will show you how you can remove age restrictions on the YouTube app, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove age restriction on the YouTube app, first of all, just make sure to launch YouTube, and I'll show you two things. And once you've done that, tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side, and then you want to go to the option called your settings. Once you go to settings, here you'll be able to see all these sorts of various options, where first of all you can go to general, and once you go to general, you'll be able to see all these sorts of options. At the bottom you'll find the option called restricted mode. So if this is turned on like this, you want to simply make sure to turn it off just like that. So just go ahead and turn off restricted mode. That will allow you to watch some kind of content. And once you've turned off restricted mode, there is also another thing that you can do, and that is to tap on your profile icon again, but this time you want to go to manage your Google account at the very top of the screen. Once you go to manage your Google account, it will take you to a page where you can edit your Google account info, and in your Google account info you have to simply change your birthday. So go to the personal information tab, and once you come to personal information tab, here you'll be able to see your birthday. You just want to make sure to tap on this birthday option, and once you tap on the birthday option over here, make sure that you enter a date of birth that is at least over 18 years of age in order to help solve this problem. And this is the way on how you can remove age restriction on the YouTube app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.